Okay, this time let's create a daisy using one balloon. First things first, you need to create a tulip twist like this. Okay, this time let's create 6-inch bubbles here. 1, 2, we created already here. We need 4. Okay, one more. And that's it. Now, make a loop here in this part. Okay. And put this area here. So we created an instant daisy, but we have extra balloon here. So let's divide this equally in half and put this extra air on the lower part of our balloon. Now, so we have an instant daisy.